Today we will be taking up the last two questions of exercise 2.5. What were these two? Now, we were doing exercise 2.5 and only two questions of this exercise are left. That is question number 15 and question number 16. Let us take question number 16 first. The question is, volume of a cuboid is given to be 3x square minus 12x, right? Volume of a cuboid is given to be 3x square minus 12x. What you have to find? You have to find the length, breadth and height. That means in this question, you have to split it into three linear factors. This is a quadratic polynomial. आप देख सकते हो डिग्री 2 है, तो what will you do? You will factorize in such a way कि ये three linear factors मिल जाए मुझे इसके, जिनको मैं length, breadth और height mention कर सकूँ. Let us take 3 common. निकल आएगा in both these. Similarly, I can take out x common. What will be left inside? It will be x minus 12. So I have 3 linear factors. So I can mention length has 3 units क्योंकि मुझे नहीं मालूम कि it is meters or centimeters. Similarly, I can write breadth is equal to x units. These are very simple questions. And I can write height of the cuboid as x minus 12 units. Since it was given in the linear form only, polynomial ही था, तो जो length, breadth and height जो आई वो भी polynomial form में है. Similarly, I will take up, this was question number 16 first part. अब I am taking question number 16 का second part. Volume is given to be 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Let us see. 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Can you see these are the three terms? और इन तीनों टर्म्स में से these three terms I can take out k common. So I will take out not only k, 12, 8 and 20. I can take out 4k common, right? So what will be inside? It will be 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Please see. एक लीनियर फैक्टर तो मेरे पास आ गया, मैं इसको लेंथ भी बोल सकती हूँ, ब्रेथ भी बोल सकती हूँ, दो y में. I can write 4k and now I have to find out the factors from here. This is the polynomial with degree 2. Got it? तो अब मैं इसको split up करूँगी linear factors में. Now how to do the factorization? Please check. आपने factorization के लिए which methods are being used? First was splitting the middle term that you have already done in class 8 also. Splitting the middle term में हम क्या करते थे? We split the coefficient of y. हम coefficient of y को ऐसे split up करेंगे कि when you multiply you get minus 15. Multiply करने पे मेरे पास minus 15 आ जाए और by adding or subtracting I should get 2y. Multiply करने पे minus 15y square आ जाए और adding या subtracting पे 2y आ जाए. तो 15 कब आता है? When the factors are 5 and 3, right? So that means 5y and 3y can be the components of 2y. Check it out. V can be written as 4k, 3y square. 2y के component क्या बनेंगे? 5 and 3. Why 5 and 3? Because 5 into 3 is 15 and 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. Got it? 5y minus 3y is 2y. Now, plus 2y का मतलब है जो larger number है वो positive रहेगा और जो shorter number, smaller number है that will be negative number and then minus 5 written like this. This is the splitting the middle term. So again 4k, right? अब please check it out. अब क्या करना है? My 3 terms are converted into 4 terms. तो अब इसमें क्या करूँगी मैं? I will take out y common. I have 3y plus 5. और out of these two terms I will take out -1 common, तो I will be having 3y plus 5, right? इतनी मैक्सिमम में आ गई, तो what will we get? v is equal to 4k. अब I have two terms. See, first I was having three terms, 1, 2 and 3. 3 में से splitting the middle term use करके I have put up like this in the form of 4 terms. अब 4 से दोबारा से मैं कॉमन निकालकर कितनी टर्म्स पे आ गई? 2 टर्म्स में. अब इन दोनों टर्म्स में से कॉमन क्या आएगा? dy plus 5. ठीक है, यहाँ क्या बचा? y minus 1. तो what are the factors? v is equal to 4k bracket 3y plus 5 और तीसरा फैक्टर क्या होगा? y minus 1. तो what will you write? That means what is your length of the cuboid? It is 4k units. What is the breadth? Breadth is 3y plus 5 units. And what is the height? Height is y minus 1 unit. Today the second code, you have the attendance form with 2 codes. Code number 2 is XXPO. What is the code? XXPO. Now let us take up question number 15. That is also of the same sort. 15, first part. What you have to do in this question, let us check. Question is, give possible expressions for length and breadth. आपको क्या expression देनी है length and breadth के? When I have 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Again, कुछ नहीं करना आपको. Length and breadth बनाने के लिए, this is a quadratic polynomial. Using the splitting the middle term, देखो. How I can make out कि I am using splitting the middle term only, not any other form. देखो, ये 25a square, of course it is 5a का whole square. लेकिन ये 12 तो किसी का whole square नहीं बन रहा ना, √12 का बन रहा है सिर्फ. तो what will I do? Here my a plus b whole square theory will not work out. तो what will I do? Splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term में इसके मुझे क्या करना है? I have to split up 35a in such a way, इसके मुझे ऐसे components search करने हैं कि जब हम multiply करें तो 25 12 5 60, तो वो आ जाए आपका 300. गेट इट? और जब हम उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करें या ऐड करें तो जो फैक्टर्स बने वो क्या बने? 35. गॉट इट? नाउ यू स्प्लिट अप 300 के फैक्टर्स बनाइए. इट इज 2 150, इट विल नॉट गो. लेकिन अगर मैं 20 और 15 ले लूँ, प्लीज चेक इट आउट. 20 or 15, they will multiply, you will get 300, and when you add up 20 and 15, you will get 35. So that means I have got the two factors. I will write here 25a square minus 35, I can write it as minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. Right? अब मुझे ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि मुझे यहाँ माइनस लेना है या प्लस लेना है? Please check. Here in the coefficient of a, I was having minus. लेकिन otherwise जब मैं इन दोनों को देखती हूँ, constant और इसको, तो they are positive. तो that means first of all 35 जो नंबर आया मेरा एडिशन से आया. दो नेगेटिव टर्म्स को जब मैंने प्लस किया तो वो अल्टीमेटली आंसर जो आया उनका वो नेगेटिव में आया. लेकिन अगर मैं उन्हीं दो नेगेटिव टर्म्स को मल्टीप्लाई करती हूँ तो व्हाट विल आई गेट? माइनस इनटू माइनस प्लस. ठीक है? सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन बिकम्स इजी. अगेन 5a इज कॉमन. 3 से कितनी टर्म्स बन गई? 4. आई एम टेकिंग आउट कॉमन. 5a minus 4. राइट? हियर अगेन, हियर what will be common? 3. So what you get? 5a minus 4. 3 to 4, and now I have two terms. Out of these two terms, 5a minus 4 is common and 5a minus 3. So my question is being split up into two linear factors, that are 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 3. So therefore I can write कि length can be 5a minus 4 and breadth can be 5a minus 3. This is my answer, right? This was question number 15, first part. Let me take up 15, second part. The second part says 35y square plus 13y minus 12 plus 13y minus 12. Now please see. Again the question is of the same sort. So what you have to do? Again I will see कि जब मैं multiply करूँ 35 into 12, 12 5 is 60. I should get 420. Multiply करने पर मेरे पास 420 आए. और when I says there is a minus here, so that or here it is plus. That means कि जो मेरे पास ये 420 के जो भी factors आए उनको अगर मैं subtract करूँ तो I should get 13. Let us try to make the factors of 420. 2 and it is 210. Then it is 70 into 3. 2 तो चल ही रहा है हमारे पास. Then it is 35 into 2 और 2 तो चल रहा है. If I take up 3 to the 6 to the 12. 3 to the 6 and 12. If I take 35 and 12, please see. Will I get 35 and 12? No, I am not getting anything. So let us find out the factors, which will be 35y square is here only, and I have to find some more. So can I write here 7 and 5? So 7, please check. 7, 2 and 2, they makes 28. 28y minus the other two factors are 5 and 3, that is 15. So I can write, if I split up 28y minus 5y minus 12. See, with the practice you can get this. So 35 into minus 12, it comes out to be 420, and 28 minus 15, that comes out to be 13. So I can write 13 as two components, that is 28y minus 15y. So what will I get? Again, my 3 terms are converted into 4 terms, and now I will take out 7y common from here. What will I get? 5y plus 4. From here I will get 3 common minus 3. So again I will get 5y plus 4. So my two components are 5y plus 2, 7y minus 3. So I can write my length as 5y plus 4 and my breadth as 7y minus 13. This was exercise 2.5, question number 15 and 16 I have taken. Got it? Thank you class.